Okay, welcome back again to this channel. This is gonna be a very short video, and this video is really about how to do an oil change in a GMC Canyon truck. You can see here, this is a GMC Canyon. You can see it here. We are under the vehicle on the driver's side. You can see this is the driver's side here. We are under here on the driver's side, and the front driver's side. And I want to show you how to get to this oil pan bolt. And we'll go under the vehicle, and I'll show you something here real quick. So you can see when you come here under the vehicle, you have to go almost near to the front, under the vehicle, near to the front of the vehicle. So you can see that's the front right there, and we're on the driver's side, and you have to get that bolt right there. That's the bolt you want to get. This one here. See that bolt right there? That's the bolt you need to open, so you can get to the that's the oil pan. So you have to open that bolt and drain out the oil, and I'll show you. We just drained the oil. You can see how dirty the oil was. That's after 5,000 miles. And let me show you what you need to use. Let me show you what you need to use to open the bolt. Of course, you need your ratchet, and you need a 15mm socket. That's what you need. You need a ratchet and a 15mm socket, and you open that bolt. And you drain the oil. Then you come here to the passenger side, the front. You're still in the front, but now you come to the passenger side, and I want to show you where. See the front passenger side? That's where the oil filter is, right there. See the oil filter right there. So you have to change that oil filter. It's easy. Open the bolt, drain the oil from the oil pan, put the bolt back in, come here, remove this oil filter, and put in a new oil filter. It's easy. You can do it by hand. You don't need any tools for this oil filter. If it gets stuck, use a screwdriver, make a hole in it, and turn it around with a screwdriver. So that's the new oil filter. This is a quick video, and we just did that. We just changed that oil filter, and we just changed the oil. Then after you put in the new oil filter, we're not editing this video. We're going straight. So we're gonna go back to the engine now, and I'll show you where to put in the new oil. Okay. So now you can see that's the old oil filter. I had a little hard time getting it off. So you just make a hole with a screwdriver and just twist it around with a screwdriver to come off. Put the new one in. Then you come here, put the new oil in. That's the new oil. You pour the new oil here. A GMC Canyon 3.5 liter engine takes 6 quarts of oil. So you need, that's five quarts, and you need one small one right there to make six quarts of oil. So just a simple video of how to change oil in a GMC Canyon. If you have any question, ask me in the comment section, and you can leave your comment in the comment section. All right, have a good day, and see you in the next video. Okay, bye.